Okay, here we go with the quick bullet point list of an overview of the steps to make the project of you real with KindEdge.com. Here we go. Defining your North Star, starting with tools to listen to your gut and bring the image in your mind out into the real world on paper through images and words. Looking at your life in years and getting very real with the truth about the choices that you need to make based on the limited time in a day, in a week, and a year. Start with the objective project management of getting from where you are to where you want to be through a tool called a gap assessment. Project management tools that work for you, defining all the steps to close the gap in that gap assessment to get from here to where you want to be, creating the detailed steps in every category of life, and refining your plan based on trials and experimentation. Working on your Ikigai in real life, making your higher purpose real. Choices, choosing is unchoosing, and you have to get real about your big rocks and the many uncomfortable conversations that you are going to need to champion in the future in order to move your goals forward. A journey map. Work on really looking at the entire story behind you so that you can understand the truth about you and your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats so that you can be cognizant of what support and changes you need inside of you and around you in order to succeed going forward. Metrics, defining, tracking, and reflecting on what metrics will guide your path forward. Gathering the many new life skills that you'll need to master going forward, such as handling others' disappointment and being comfortable with that, and defining rewards that keep you coming back to hard work each day, and many, many more such important tools. Managing the project of you as a living, growing document where you will see in real life that your life is changing. Creating the KindEdge 360 foundation to fight, including a whole series of steps to get mentally fit, physically fit, soulfully fit, and systematically fit to pile drive your goals forward no matter what. Managing the doing a total clean out. Sorry, pardon me, I'm really trying to get this through. Doing a total clean out of your life in order to reselect the people, environments, and things that actually align with your goals. Doing a conscious curation project and continuing that process as a way of living. Creating a board of directors for the project of you, and redefining your days in order to keep your mind, body, soul, and systems operating joyfully and sustainably through something I call a daily arc. Running many, many tests and experiments in real life, including considering getting financially nimble to allow for a big change with tasks like a cash life challenge. You can see there's a lot of work, but it's a path to enable you to spend your remaining minutes on Earth in a better way. These steps will unlock the alternate ending to your life. Please join me on this ride. It's gonna be fun.